Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone and in this video you will learn how you can add weather for your site in Weebly. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below in the comments, in the description, and click on the link in the description. When you will have it, you will get here on L-Site. L-Site is an amazing company with a lot of widgets for you to use, and one of them is weather widget. So sign up for free, create account with normal email, Gmail or Facebook. When you will have it, click on login. Right here, you're going to have applications and you want to write here weather. And you're going to see right here. I will just open these. So, weather, create a widget. So now you can go with the detailed forecast or daily forecast. Let's just choose this one here. Continue with this template. You can go like I would choose my country. Slovakia. Okay, we got it. We can go with the Celsius. And now appearance, you can change the color if you want. Click save here. Now you're gonna choose which plan you want. You can choose the light one, and that's like 200 views a month, or with the basic, that's like yearly $5 a month, and you got 14-day money back guarantee. Or you can test all applications on L-Site and got L pack $15 a month, which is also pretty good. So let's just start with the light version and let's copy the code. Now when I go to Weebly, I will add the code here, and what I will do is that I will add it to custom HTML and I will paste it. And let's wait for a while and it should work. Remove, and yep, here you got it. So this is how you do it, and this is what you got. So you can also edit to the right side if you got like space here. Just test it out what you like, and this is how you do it. So thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.